A 27-year-old boy was given this electric glide, and a kid pushed him over when he was at a stop sign. That ain't how the bag got messed up, but when it pushed him over, it started smoking, and it was not smoking before. So we're going to try and diagnose what's causing this to suck up so much oil and burn it. I'm thinking maybe the check valve down there in that bottom breather is causing it, but I'm not sure. So we will find out what's going on. What had happened was the saddlebag, it flew off the top, and a car ran it over. I thought he got in an accident and crashed, but no. But anyway, it's going to be what it is. It's his first motorcycle, so we'll see. Anyways, it's going to be one of them builds. A friend, Big Ed, he's doing the same thing right now, going through a bike and rebuilding it. So we're going to be in the same shape on this one, and it'll probably be an all-winter job. The boy doesn't have much money to work with. And I told him what I've got sitting around the shop for an Evo, we'll throw on here. So anyways, later.